Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto updates, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day where I review coins. I talk about coins gaining massive numbers on CoinMarketCap. Yes, today I'm going to do something very special. A lot of you guys have told me to review some coins, so I'm going to write out those coins and I'm going to do videos on each and every one of them as much as I can do today. But before that, let's talk about the coins that are doing numbers on CoinMarketCap among the current biggest gainers. One of the coin I'm seeing here is Meta. Meta has done over 95,236%, and it is a token I need to review. I've reviewed Angry Squid, and I told you guys that this token you should avoid it. It's a scam token, but you can do your research and tell me what you think about it. And there's Chromatica. I've not done any video on this, so I'm going to review Meta and Chromatica right about now. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. Help us grow our channel to 4,000 before the end of this week and 5,000 before the end of this month. Let's quickly get down to business. Now, Meta token, I'm just seeing this token for the first time. I did a video on Ethereum Meta and I told you guys about that token. Some people said it was a glitch, some people said it's normal and whatever, but notwithstanding, you can watch that video if you want to get more information on Ethereum Meta. Now, Meta has done over 96,312% right now, and the trading volume has increased by, this is like 5 million percent. Yeah, 5 million, that's what I'm seeing, 5 million percent. And I don't know, I think this should be a glitch. Most likely this should be a glitch. I don't think this is normal. But then let's review this token. This token is built on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20. Guys, anything I say here, anything I talk about this token is just for educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor, financial expert. Make sure you do your own research before you invest your money, because crypto is a very risky form of investment. Now, let's head straight to this video. Now, this token is built on the Binance Smart Chain, like I said earlier, currently on the watch list of 17,973 people with a market cap of $8.7 million, and is trading on $1.3 million trading volume, right? So that being said, I want to find out what this token is about. I'm going to check it on BSC Scan, and I'm going to check it on Token Sniffer. I'll review their official website, and I'll tell you guys my final conclusion about this project. So stay tuned. bscscan.com, right? I'm going to review it on Token Sniffer. I'll tell you guys my final conclusion about this project, and basically that's what we'll be doing here. So let's go to Meta. Meta is a BSC meme and reward token predicated on the recent rebranding hype. All holders of Meta automatically reward their SHIB token as buys and sells take place. Hold Meta and watch your SHIB grow passively. The more we moon, the more SHIB we make. SHIB is a reward to holders when they buy and the sell take place. So the idea behind this is that when you buy Meta token, is a meme token. When you buy the Meta token, right, you get Shiba Inu in return. Then when you sell Meta, you get SHIB token. So I need to find out the idea behind this Meta token. I need to find out if this token is not a rebase token, but most of the time when the promise is a token, like if you buy a particular token and they promise you maybe a BNB in return, a Ethereum, a Cardano, a better token, as the case may be, a stable token or a more solid token, in return, most times these kind of tokens are usually rebased in nature, and most rebased tokens end up, the chart looks LD, it goes up, makes it look like the token is doing fine, while people that have invested in the token, their money is burning and they end up losing money. I've done a lot of videos and reviews of rebase token. I know the behavioral pattern of a rebase token when I see one, so I'll check the official website to see if this token is not a rebase token, right? But from the chart I can see here, this token is going up, coming down, going up, coming down, like the chart. This one of today, this chart doesn't look LD, but let's quickly analyze it. Maybe there could be a manipulation or a glitch or something, I don't know, but let's see. Around sometime today, this was trading on $1.1 million, and the time was around 3:13 a.m. in the morning. And if you look at this, at 3:56 a.m. the trading volume increased to 837, it reduced to 837,000, and there was a massive move upward, and this was going up and coming down. Is it that they were removing the liquidity or manipulating the price or pumping the price or rock pulling or whatever? I don't know, but that is what I noticed from this chart. This chart doesn't look LD, but let's move forward. If you have bought this token and you have any issues with it, please kindly leave a comment so that I can help others to avoid any form of scam. Just kindly let us know while I do my review. Now I'm going to open the official website, metabsc.app. I'm going to copy this contract address. I'll paste it in the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to search, and I'll go on Token Sniffer. I will search, and everything I give you as my final conclusion is based on this research and the result of my findings. I'm not affiliated to any crypto project, so I'm not an expert. I am just somebody that has been analyzing tokens for a long time, and this is it. So this is it. They said Meta is a new BSC meme and reward token providing the highest reflection rewards on BSC. Reflection rewards on BSC. All holders of Meta are automatically rewarded SHIB token as buys and sells take place. Hold Meta and watch your SHIB grow passively. The more we moon, the more SHIB we get. SHIB is rewarded to the holders when the buys and the sells take place. That is what they promise people. We don't know how true this is. Now, they said Meta is a new token that combines the meme potential and the metaverse with amazing rewards in SHIB, one of the hottest crypto in the space. So I'm trying to look if there's anything mentioned about Meta being a rebased token. Said the Meta is run by community, blah 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 blah. Like every other token will tell you that the community, no developer or marketing wallet. This is token still. Some might criticize the strategy, but with SHIB reward as high as ours, we are moving up without a hitch. Okay, that's what they are saying here, that you don't have a marketing strategy or whatever, and that is just a community driven token, and where you reward huge SHIB. The SHIB is like the catch factor, what will make people want to invest in this. Now the taxes are 12%. This is very high. They are charging you tax at 12% when you buy, and 10% reward for people that are holding, 2% to go to the liquidity pool, and when you are selling, you sell at 17%, which is higher. So this way they want you to, when you buy this token, you would want to hold, because when you're selling you're going to lose more. The money that's taken away from you is going to be higher. 15% will go to others that are holding, 2% to the liquidity pool, which is not bad, but I feel the tax is actually very high. On the sales results in a very good strong SHIB payout to all holders of Meta. Many of our early holders have made more in SHIB than they have in Meta itself, which has gone many hundreds of times in value. Well, I don't know how true this is. How can we verify this? If you have bought this token, please kindly leave a comment and tell us about this. So we are a strong reward token, but we also have very strong meme value. We are one of the first tokens riding the metaverse wave, if not the first token with the ticker symbol Meta. Our community is always producing and sharing great meme and having a good time. So basically they want to leverage on the name Meta. Since Facebook changed their name, Facebook launched and became Meta, now they want to use that name Meta to create a token. A lot of people are going to buy this token because of the name Meta. And if you notice something in this place, the picture of Mark Zuckerberg was made as a caricature with Shiba Inu around it. So guys, this could be a scam, because these people are not affiliated to Facebook or Mark Zuckerberg in any way. They're just using this picture to lure more people in. Now they said Meta is 100% community funded. Our team uses SHIB and this and this and this and this and this. To make a donation of SHIB to help us grow, send to the following address. So you are going to have to donate Shiba Inu for them to grow. But they are giving us Shiba Inu. How will you give us something you don't have? Is it that they are using the money people are investing in Meta to buy SHIB or what? Because I really need some clarity on it. So somebody said, how do I see my SHIB results? Simple. SHIB supports BSC. Simply add Shiba Inu BSC token address to your MetaMask or Trust wallet. Okay. Token holders enter a queue to receive reward. Every half hour, the contract will distribute rewards to as many holders as gas allows. This distribution starts at the last place it left off in the queue with distributive. So many stories here. I want to know if this token is a rebased token, but there is nothing here telling me if this token is a rebased token. I kind of see some traits of rebase in this token, but guys, I might be wrong. They have a Telegram group, they have a Twitter account. I don't know much about this token, so I'm just going to trust your judgment, and I'll also trust whatever I find on BSC scan and um on and also on token sniffer. So if you move to BSC scan, you're going to see that people are investing in this token. 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, a lot of people are buying this token, buying this token, buying this token, and that is what people always do without researching, and they end up probably losing money and stuff like that. So I'm going to see if anybody has given any comments, negative comments pertaining this token. So far I have not seen any. For now, I've not seen any. Okay, I've not seen any negative comment concerning this token, so I'm going to try to see the number of people holding the token, before I now go on on token sniffer to finalize my findings. Because one thing I'm sure is that token sniffer is going to tell you that the charges, like the tax on this token, is very high, which is not a good sign. So I'm going to go to token sniffer to finalize, but for now let's check the number of people holding this token and let's see what we can get from it. If we have a lot of people holding the token, because it's on the watch list of so many people, right, then let's see the number of people holding the token, then we can know whether this project is actually a good project or is not, or is something we should avoid. Currently 15,890 address are holding this token. It's not bad, but I think it can be more than this, right? If it was up to 30,000 or 20,000, 25,000 thereabouts, it should have been kind of okay. But if it's 50,000, I'm very confident that okay, a lot of people are investing in this, they know what they're doing, right? Now if you look at this, the quantity of this token people are holding is actually kind of high. A lot of people are holding very huge amount of this token, which is not a good sign. It's not a good sign. But then let's go to token sniffer to see what token sniffer is going to say about this Meta token. Guys, tell me if you have bought this token, what you think about it. But so far I'm just 50-50 about this token. This token, it kind of give a kind of legit look, but also looks like a scam at the same time. But I'm looking for some red flags that will convincingly make me say this is a scam, and one needs to be careful. Okay, now look at this. From community report, they say users reported this token for the following reasons: suspicious website or fake team. Yes, now one thing I can say about the website is putting the picture of Mark Zuckerberg when Mark Zuckerberg is not directly connected to this project at all is kind of scammy. Yeah, that's what I think. But the website itself doesn't look bad, but it's not like a very good website. It's just basic as far as I'm concerned, right? That is what I think about this token. I feel using the name Meta again is just to lure people in, since Facebook has changed their name to Meta, and I feel people need to do a lot of research before they invest. Now from this, you say the smell test is like 85% over 100. It makes it look like there's a low risk of it being a scam in the future. However, you need to be very careful because the buy fee is high, like I said earlier. The sell fee is high, which is not really good. There's a verified contract address. There are similar contract address that looks like this one, which could indicate that this token can become a pump and dump scheme. And there are other tokens that are existing aside this one. From the other information we have, the creator has less than 5%. Like I saw, some people are holding 3%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, which is not bad. And the liquidity, there is 573 BNB. I think it is kind of low. If it is up to 1000 BNB, it will make it more comfortable. But then and at least the liquidity bond or locked is 99.13%, and there's 25.9 that has been locked till 2024. So it makes it a little bit trustworthy. So with the information I've gotten so far, I cannot outrightly come out and say this token is a scam, but I believe that this token looks like a good token, although it is a meme coin. However, they've done some things to make it look like they are not planning to rug pull on people, notwithstanding, you still need to do your own research. Be very careful about it, because somebody has actually reported the website of being a fake website, but then nobody has reported the token of being a scam for now, maybe because it is relatively new. If you guys have bought this token, please leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think genuinely about it. I cannot come to a conclusion, but in my own personal rating, I'm going to give this token like a 55 over 100. 55 that it could be a good project, 45 that it could end up becoming a scam. Yeah, based on what I have done so far. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another interesting review.